Hello guys, I'm Yasir Ali, and here today I have with me a surface filter, also called as inline surface filter. So we will discuss and learn about inline surface filter. As you can see that this inline surface filter is basically composed of two parts. Okay, the first one is this housing. As you can see, this red color pipe, it is the housing, and then the second part is this screen, this mesh. Okay, this is the second part of the surface filter. So as you can see, this inline surface filter is composed of two parts. The first part is basically straight joint of a conventional 1502 iron 2-inch iron. Okay, so this is simply the piece of pipe which is 4 feet long, and it is same as 1502 2-inch iron. Okay, this is the second part, which is today actually our main topic of discussion, which is the filter part. Okay, it is basically specially designed mesh which is used as a filtration medium in the coil tubing jobs. We use this inline surface filter in our surface treating line to remove the debris or the coarse particles from the fluid, so that we could provide the clean fluid to the coil tubing and then ultimately to our downhole tools. Okay, here the question may be arise that why do we need the clean fluid to provide to the coil tubing? So the answer to that question is that we have the sensitive downhole tools, for example the motors and other tools, which cannot operate if the fluid is not clean or free of debris. So that's why we have to use inline surface filter to remove the external particles from the fluid before it enters into the coil tubing. Of course we can install the downhole filter to remove the debris of the fluid, but as an extra protective medium we use this surface filter. So we use both inline surface filter or surface filter and the downhole filter to remove the debris. Okay, now we'll talk about that how to install this surface filter inside this housing or the 2-inch iron. So here we have to be very careful that it have this surface filter have two ends. The one is cone end or the closed end, and other one is open end. Okay, so this cone end will come towards the pumping side from where the fluid is coming, and we know that fluid is always being pumped from wing towards well, that is fluid will come from this threaded size. So this cone will come in the threaded size. So we will put this one, while we will put this filter, we will insert from this side so that this cone comes over here. So in this way we will install this surface filter inside its housing. Okay, now talking about that how does it filter or how does it remove the debris. It will work from outside to inside, that is fluid will enter from outside and will go inside. Okay, so when fluid will be enter from outside and will go inside, what will happen, the debris will stay outside. Okay, so we have to be very careful. If we put in wrong direction, what will happen, debris will go inside and it will plug, and also it will not fix inside its housing. So we have to be very careful when we are inserting this screen inside its housing. Last point for today's discussion is about the size of this screen. The size of the screen is mentioned using the units micron. In the industry there are different micron sizes are available, but the most common used size is 600 micron, and the screen right now I have with me, it's also 600 micron. So that was the discussion for today's. I hope you like what we have shared. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next tutorial.